Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here from the 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today I'm gonna cook some venison burgers on my new Blackstone Griddle. We bought this griddle last week. We've cooked fajitas on it over the weekend. I wanted to video that, but didn't get time to do it, and they turned out fantastic. So I'm really excited about doing these burgers. These are pre-made patties that we get from our processor. They have some of them just are regular patties that have cheese, jalapenos, and bacon inside the patties, and they are really good. So I'm thinking they're gonna be even better on this this griddle. So y'all come along. Alright guys, as y'all can see, that griddle is hot and it's ready to go. I went overboard on seasoning it last week, but it really looks good, and it's starting to look even. I cooked on it one time, but it's looked even better after I cooked on it. So let me show y'all what we got here. These are the pre-made patties. These ones right here are the ones that have the jalapenos and bacon and cheese, and then here's a regular one. And then we're also going to do some sauteed onions on there as well. I've got just canola oil in that bottle, and then this is the seasoning I'll be using. This is a pretty common seasoning around here. We use it on just about everything. So let's get going. guys, they're coming along pretty good, as you can see. That griddle cooks really fast. I think these are gonna be really good. Look who joined me out here. Originally the regular one. Yeah. That looks good. Alright guys, we're back in the house. Got the burgers here, the buns. I didn't get a good video of those out there. It's starting to rain and trying to get finished up. Those look really good. Black-eyed peas. We never ate black-eyed peas for New Year's. Just forgot, I guess. So now we're gonna eat them now. Hopefully it's not too late to get our work out of them. It's my beautiful daughter. So happy to see me.
I have a cut on my lip.
There's our trusty sidekick. Alright guys, well here is my bunless venison burger that we cooked on the Blackstone Griddle. It's got cheese and onions. I'll show you what Shannon's looks like here in a second. Mine looks pretty good though. It's going to be hard to top it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there's what Mom's looks like. She's got mayonnaise on there? That's nasty. But she's got some avocado, that's alright. Then onions and cheese. Guys, thank y'all for watching this video. We're really excited about cooking more stuff on this griddle. Y'all please comment below and let us know what your favorite things to cook on the griddle are. We really want to try to utilize it and cook some more stuff on there. One of the things we're most looking forward to is cooking breakfast on there. So y'all do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and we'll see y'all again.